That's the sound. Now the others taking off in formation is a great sound too. Those two airplanes using the 9-cylinder Pratt & Whitney engine, believe it or not, designed in the mid-20s, an old engine design, and used first to set transcontinental distance records by Amelia Earhart and Wiley Post. And then it was the first engine to cross the Pacific, that same design engine, designed back in the 20s and in 1931. Flew from Japan to the state of Washington in 40 hours. Had a good contingent of airplanes here this afternoon, last Sunday in June. And we do have a lot of events coming up this year. We have the July 14th Hot Rod event out here, and let's see, the schedules are being handed out. Do you have some schedules too you can give for free, or just the programs? Just programs, okay. Well, you can get some schedules over at the gift shop. Perhaps we can get some of those handed out. Make it a little more challenging. You aim for the hat. Now the standard engine for the World War II, and it's on the far side, Stearman, in the 1927 Travel Air, and in the last, the single wing airplane, the P-222. So all four airplanes there were different. The silver airplane is a Fleet Model 7 built in Buffalo, New York. 1929 airplane with a 5-cylinder engine. That's the way it's supposed to sound, and it's one of the smoothest machines out here. Flanked by two Stearmans, the Yellowbird and Carol Yoakum's number 88 Navy painted Stearman. Well, this is a treat, having two 450 horsepower Stearmans up. Keep calling them Stearmans, and they're designed by the Lloyd Stearman Company. Lloyd Stearman started his aircraft company in the mid-20s. He moved on to Lockheed, along about 1929 and 30. A couple of his great designers, Harold Zipp and Jack Clark, in 1932 designed the PT-17 Cadet Stearman. And that was adopted by the armed services during World War II. About 7, maybe 10,000 of them were built. This was World War II now, Barry. Aha, I got the special trivia fact for you. Yes. It's a Beechcraft. Diamond formation there. Boy, that's a good one. Remember, all four of those airplanes are different. To hold that formation is a very nice job. That is pretty. Number 8 airplane, the Waco in the lead. Now you want to put on the shades if you got them, because we're going to have to strain our eyes up here to watch. They'll accelerate up to about 110 miles an hour in free fall. Both jumpers using a lot of safety here. And Jim has the flag out, so let's all stand and take off our hats as we play for you now our national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see how near we hail at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight for the ramparts we watch were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that
jump, ladies and gentlemen. Both our jumpers giving us a great job here this afternoon. Outstanding. Safe. He's safe at first. Safe at home. All right. Beautiful job by the skydivers, Joe Callan.